There are moments when I wish for a letter to arrive and tell me where I'm supposed to go. But I couldn't even name the address it should be sent to, because I'm not too sure where to call home. There is something out there calling me. It's so present, yet I can't tell if it's a person or a place. But I feel warmth and I feel joy. Everything around me echoes this feeling. Sometimes it's stronger. Then it takes up my mind entirely. At other times it seems so light and it is bearable. But it never really goes away. What I learned is that the more I resist, the closer it pulls me in. I remind myself that time will tell. But that means to get an answer, you need patience. I don't have that. Never have, and yet all I can do is wait. This urge is coming from far away. And even though I'm not unhappy here, there seems to be a piece to my puzzle I need to find somewhere else than where I am right now. And now I understand this feeling you get when you look to the west and your spirit is crying for leaving.